Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I want to just show you this Pigeon Wave rechargeable USB fan with 1800 mAh battery. See, this is the manual operation. You need to press this power button. There are totally 3 speed settings. Yeah, 2200 RPM. And currently this is on the offline store and the battery is out of charge, means it's got completely discharged. That's the reason the speed is not enough. And this is the USB charging port here. Maybe with your mobile adapter you can charge this phone. And the here is the rechargeable battery, which is of 1800 mAh. Let us check the online details of this mini portable fan, Pigeon Wave portable mini fan with 1800 rechargeable battery with 3 speeds. Ideal for like when you're traveling or cooking, when you're in kitchen for cooking at that point of time. So it is very lightweight. See here, it comes with the LED light also, and it is lightweight, so you can easily carry. And there is no need of power socket, as this is rechargeable and it comes with the battery. So as this battery operated, you can operate this. See, for kids room, bathroom, bedroom, yeah. And I guess there won't be any charging adapter or something like that. Maybe you can charge with your mobile adapter. I checked this here, included components. They just mentioned light kit, and on the offline store also I didn't see any adapter or something like that. But if anyone using these sort of products, please do comment whether they provide charging. And the offline price is something like 1300 rupees. And here also, when I check on here, it's also 1300 rupees. Both are similar, and it comes with the LED light also. See here, model Wave rechargeable mini fan. Yeah, Wave, and the RPM is 2200. And these are the two buttons. One is for the light, LED light, and one is for the speed adjustments. 3 speed adjustment. Please do comment your opinions.